Hi everyone, I'm Arjun, and it's been a long time since I've posted the YouTube video where I actually talked. But here it is. So this is gonna be an astronomy video. It's a clear night today, and I came out to image. I imaged yesterday and the day before yesterday because I went to some dark sky sites. But today I tried imaging, but then my battery ran out of power. It's actually kind of embarrassing to say because this doesn't happen a lot of times to astronomers, but since I'm a beginner, it happens sometimes. But this rig that I'm standing right next to, this is a new rig. This is an Ioptron GEM 28 mount. It's a go-to mount with a payload capacity of 28 pounds. And I'm nowhere near that because the telescope that I have on is a Red Cat 51 telescope. It has a 51 millimeter aperture and it has a 250 millimeter focal length. This telescope barely weighs 3 pounds, so I feel like this mount's taking on light work. Behind this telescope is the ASI 178mm planetary camera. Although my main focus is deep sky imaging, like nebulae, galaxies, star clusters, I bought this planetary camera for the time being because cooled cameras, I've heard, they don't bring in a lot of problems, but I feel like a planetary camera is enough for now. In the future, I'm going to set up a guiding setup and I'm going to buy a cooled camera. So for now, this is what I have. Inside here, I have a light pollution filter because I'm in borderline skies and light pollution is a big problem. To fix back focus for this, you need a 55 millimeter back focus, I think. I'm not exactly sure. But I have a bunch of spacers here that I had to order because I wasn't able to focus it without them. Back focus is a big thing for planetary cameras and this telescope. The tripod over here is the Ioptron tripod. This is a light rock tripod. It's pretty heavy duty. It can carry, it can carry a pretty hefty weight, that's all I know. I am using Nina. Let me turn on my computer here. Yeah, so I am using Nina for my image acquisition. It's over here. So Nina is a really neat tool for acquisition because it, it has a lot of features on it, like you can connect all your devices. It has a framing wizard. It has a sequencer. It has an imager. It has plate solving. It also has an advanced sequencer, which I haven't started using yet, but that has helped out a lot of astronomers as far as I've heard. And what else did I not cover? The battery that I'm using down here is a Celestron power tank battery. It's just like a general use battery. It has 12 volt output, 15 volt output, has a light at the front, and yeah, it's pretty sufficient for powering up my whole rig here. I did have a dew heater running, but I encountered some problems with it. This is just a general dew heater for 2-inch telescopes. Fits really nice. And yeah, that's all I have for today. This is a new setup, and for the past few nights I have been imaging. So right now I have an image of the North American nebula. That's a bright nebula in Cygnus. So yeah, this is what I was able to capture of it. This is just like around 54 minutes of exposure, and I think it turned out really nice. You can see the dark nebula around here, or at the edges, a little bit of the Cygnus wall over here, and you can see a really nice star field, and there's a bunch of detail up here and over here. So I think this image turned out pretty well, and that's the first time that I was actually able to image something that's a known object in the night sky because I had plate solve running. And other than that, yeah, this is my new setup. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.